Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are good and doing well at home. So children, as you all know that today this is our online EVS class and we have started with our revision work from 1st of February, and I have also explained you that these revision exercises we are doing are on the topics based or on the syllabus based on our final term examinations. Is that clear? So I hope you all have done your last revision which I gave you yesterday, revision number 2 of chapter number 13. Now today we are going to do EVS revision number 3. Is that clear? So I hope you all have completed your last work which I gave you yesterday. Now today we are going to take next chapter, that is chapter number 14, sides and directions. Now children, some days before only we have done this chapter in revision, so there is no need for you all to write this again and again, but you can just learn. Okay, so please watch the videos very carefully. You have to watch all the videos very carefully and you have to learn. Okay, so let's get started with our today's exercise. So today's first part is on true or false. So listen to it carefully children. I will explain you the sentence as well as the answers. So first sentence, there are two sides. So children, is it true or false? Are there only two sides or four sides? This sentence is false because there are four sides. Okay, and what are those four sides? Right, front, back, right and left. Okay, so I hope you all have remembered the sides. What are sides and directions? Sides are front, back, right and left, and directions are east, west, north and south. Clear? So there are four directions and four sides. So this sentence is asking you that there are two sides. So this is false. You will write F-A-L-S-E, false. Now coming to the second sentence, there are four directions. Yes, there are four directions, east, west, north and south. So this sentence is absolutely correct. So you will write true. T-R-U-E is true. Okay. Now coming to the next sentence, the sun rises in the west. Now children, you must all have learned and you must all have listened before also that I have explained to you that sun always rises from east. Okay, so in this sentence it is written that sun rises in the west, which is absolutely wrong. So you will write false, F-A-L-S-E, false for this sentence. Okay, and coming to the last sentence, the sun helps to find out directions. Yes, this is true because sun rises in the east and you know that from where the sun is rising, that direction is east. So you can make out all the other three directions. Okay, so आपको जब पता है कि sun east से राइज करता है, निकलता है, तो आपको जब एक डायरेक्शन पता चल जाएगा तो आप बाकी के तीन डायरेक्शंस भी फाइंड आउट कर सकते हो. सो द सन हेल्प्स टू फाइंड आउट डायरेक्शंस. दिस इज ट्रू. TRUE इज true. So I hope children you all have understood this exercise, true and false, all the four true false. Once again I'm repeating, listen to it carefully. Number one, there are two sides. This is false because there are always four sides, front, back, front, back, right and left. Okay. Then second is there are four directions. This is true because there are four directions. And what are those directions? East, west, north and south. The sun rises in the west. This is false because sun rises in the east. And the last one, the sun helps to find out directions. This is true. So because it is, you all know that sun rises from east, so you can make out other three directions. So children, that is all in this exercise. Now moving forward to our second exercise, that is of question answers. Okay. Now children, coming to the next exercise, that is B part of question and answers. Now again children, pay attention because here I will explain you the questions and answers also. So make sure that you try to learn from here only. Okay, so make sure that you have to listen to each and everything very carefully. So coming towards our first question, that is how many sides are there? Name them. कितने साइड्स हैं, हमें उनके नेम्स भी मेंशन करने हैं. सो यू ऑल नो दैट देयर आर फोर साइड्स. ओके, देन यू हैव टू नेम देम. फर्स्ट इज फ्रंट, FRONT, फ्रंट. Second is back, B-A-C-K, back. Third is right, R-I-G-H-T, right. And the last one, fourth one is left, L-E-F-T, left. So there are 4 sides, front, back, right and left. Is that clear to you all? Now coming to the second question, name the 4 directions. Now here you have to mention the names of 4 directions. So the 4 directions are E-A-S-T, east, W-E-S-T is west, N-O-R-T-H, north, and the last one is S-O-U-T-H, south. Is that clear? So there are 4 directions and their names are east, west, north and south. Is that clear? Now coming to the last third question, there are only 3 questions in this chapter. So the third question is, name the direction to your back when you face the sunset. Now in this question, children, make sure that you use your brain very carefully, that here it is asking you that name the direction. आपको direction बताना है, आपके back में कौन सा direction होगा जब आपका face sunset की तरफ होगा. When you will be facing sunset, then facing towards sunset, then what will be the direction at your back? आपके बैक में, आपके पीछे कौन सा डायरेक्शन होगा जब आपका सामने फेस जो है सनसेट की तरफ है. सनसेट, सनराइज नहीं, सनसेट. सनसेट्स इन द वेस्ट, यू ऑल नो दैट. तो जब आप वेस्ट की तरफ फेसिंग करोगे तो आपका जो बैक है वो किस तरफ फेसिंग करेगा? ईस्ट की तरफ. सो योर आंसर विल बी ईस्ट. इज दैट क्लियर? So in these types of questions, you have to pay a lot of attention. Okay. So I hope all these 3 question answers are very clear to you all. Once again, I'm repeating. First one, how many sides are there? Name them. So there are 4 sides, front, back, right and left. Coming to the second question, name the 4 directions. Answer is the 4 directions are east, west, north and south. Coming to the third question, name the direction to your back when you face the sunset. Answer is east, E-A-S-T, east. So I hope, children, that you all have understood this revision number 3 of chapter number 14, sides and directions. All the exercises are clear to you all. Now it's time for me to say goodbye, children. So before saying goodbye, I would like to tell you all that please make sure that you complete all your work and learn also. Okay. So till my next video, which is tomorrow. Bye bye. Take care. Stay at home and please be safe.